Hello! In this video, we will explain how to connect the My Olive app for Android users. First, please place the Olive Max next to your Android phone. Next, please open the My Olive app downloaded on your Android. When you first open the app, please allow for Bluetooth, phone status access, and push notifications. Then press Next. You will then see a login screen. If you are using the My Olive app for the first time, please register an account. If you are having trouble registering, you can bypass the login screen by pressing the X in the top right corner. On the selection screen, you can choose the device you are trying to connect with. You can choose between the Olive Smart Ear Plus or the Olive Max. Please select the Olive Max. Then press the Connecting a New Olive Device button. If your Olive Max's battery is running low, it may be difficult to connect the Olive Max and the My Olive app. Please be sure to charge your Olive Max for at least 30 minutes before connecting. Then press Next. To activate the pairing mode, open the charging case and press Next. Be sure to keep the earbuds inside the charging case. Leave the charging case open to connect. Then press the Go to Settings button to connect to Bluetooth. It will take you to your Android Bluetooth settings. Select Olive Max on the Available Devices menu to connect. When the connection is completed, please go back to the My Olive app again. When the Olive Max and the My Olive app are successfully connected, it will display the confirmation with a blue checkmark on the screen. Then press the Getting Started button. You will be introduced to the main features of the Olive Max. When the explanation is complete, you will see the AI preset option. The My Olive app can analyze your answers through a short questionnaire to apply some automated settings to your hearing profile. We recommend going through the AI preset questionnaire to help you get the most out of your Olive Max. You can also skip the AI presets and settings and come back to them later through the Settings tab. Once you complete the AI setup or skip them, you will see the Control Home screen. If you need any additional assistance with pairing your Olive Max, please contact our support staff. Thank you for watching the video. We will introduce the My Olive app and its features in the next video.